Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite face paint page. Today we're going to do some gypsy magic. Okay, so let's jump right in. So we start by soaking a sponge in pink and blue deliciousness. And as you can see, the center turns purple, so we now have 3 colors to work with. Apply the colors to my forehead, making the handkerchief shape, tilting the sponge to one end or the other of the sponge, depending on which color I want to predominate in the design. We can also use it to add color to the lips. I like having already chapstick or Vaseline on, so the paint doesn't feel dry, and also to help the glitter stick better to them. And now we start making our headpiece made of lucky coins. I like using a flat number 8 brush for this, but it can be a little tricky, so you might want to practice on your arm like this. Or you can use a number 6 or a number 8 round brush. With our Mehron powder brush, or just any blush brush you have on hand, you can apply your Diamond FX Gemstone Shimmer powder to make them look more like real gold coins. Then we repeat the process with white paint and silver glitter. With a number 6 round brush, we circle them. And it can be easier if you use your pinky to steady your hand. With a number 4 round brush, we hold our coins together with a nice little chain and add a few more dots for detail. Eyeliner as well. With a few dots. With white paint or the same color paint as the glitter color you want to use, then you can add color to the design like this. We can use the same sponge we used for the handkerchief to apply a little eyeshadow, and of course finish with more glitter. Et voila! You have become a real-life gypsy. Let us know which design you would like to see next in the comment section, and thanks for watching. See you next time!